In this video, we'll see how you can hide cash on delivery payment method above some particular amount. Here you can see now cash on delivery is showing. Now if I add some more product and go to checkout, you will see now cash on delivery is not showing. So we'll see how we can do that, how we can add that type of condition. And before we start, I just want to say please join the membership and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Now we will install app and set up it. Okay. To search for app name Payflow, through which we will set up the hide cash on delivery above particular amount. Here you can see Payflow, cash on delivery and payment rule. This app is free for one customization. So we will create a customization. Okay. Click on install. Now important part is how we can set up it so that it limits the user from purchasing above some particular amount through cash on delivery. Okay, here app is installed. Here what we'll do, we'll go on customization. Customization, click on create customization. What customization we want? We want to hide payment method above particular amount. I will name it hide cash on delivery above 3000. Suppose select option. We want to hide if cart total is above 3000 is greater than or equal to 3000. Then we want to what we will do, select predefined or contains text or do not contain text or equal to. You can select as per your requirement. I will select predefined. Here in predefined I will select cash on delivery. Where is cash on delivery? Now if you don't found predefined or if predefined doesn't work, you just it's better you can select contain text and write your shipping method name, sorry, payment method name. You can write it here, like for cash on delivery you can just write cash, it will work, but I will use predefined cash on delivery. Save. In setting I will show you my payment method. Payment, here you can see manual payment. This is my cash on delivery. I have enabled it. Now let's see if it is working or not. Go here, add any product. Like currently you can see this is only of 500. I will clear all the product. This is only of 500. It's good. Go on checkout. Now here in payment method you can see both options, credit card, cash on delivery. Both options it's working very fine. Now you want that if product is above order above 3000 then it will be hidden. Here you can see I will add product of 2994. You can see, but here you can see 2994 is only subtotal. Adding tax which its total increases 3000. That's why you can't see any cash on delivery payment method. So you can add condition of subtotal also if you want, or you can add on total also. It's as per your requirement. I have added on total. That's why it's above 3000. So you can see there is no cash on delivery payment option. That's how you can easily hide cash on delivery above some particular amount. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and join membership.